In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a timeline in Google Docs using a table. Whether you're tracking project milestones or simply organizing personal goals, creating a timeline can be incredibly helpful. And the best part is, you can do it all right in Google Docs without any fancy software. Let's dive in and get started. First, we're going to navigate over to Google Docs. If you're not already there, open up your preferred web browser and type in Google Docs. Once you're logged in, the main Google Docs homepage will appear. From here, we're going to open a blank document. You can do this by selecting the blank option, typically shown as a white square with a plus sign. With your blank document open, it's time to start building our timeline. Head up to the menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, find and hover over Table. At this point, we're going to choose a simple 1-row by 5-column table. However, feel free to adjust the number of columns based on the number of events or points you plan to include in your timeline. Remember, the more events, the more columns you'll need. Now that we have our table in place, let's format it into a timeline. Start by inserting labels into each of the table cells. These labels will correspond to different points in time or events that you want to highlight. For instance, if you're tracking a project, your labels might be different phases, such as planning, development, testing, and so on. Once your labels are in, a useful tip to make your timeline more visually appealing is to center align the text in each cell. To do this, highlight the text, then click on the Align icon in the toolbar and select Center Align. A well-aligned timeline not only looks good, but is also easier to read. Finally, to add an extra touch to your timeline, consider adding colors or bolding the text. This can be done by highlighting a specific cell or text and choosing the paint bucket icon to add color, or clicking the B icon for bolding. Using colors can help differentiate between various phases or draw attention to important events. Just ensure the colors and bolding are consistent across your timeline for a cohesive look. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, we've created a simple yet effective timeline using nothing but Google Docs. This approach offers a quick and flexible way to map out events or deadlines without needing any specialized software. Hopefully, you found this tutorial helpful and can now create beautiful timelines for all your planning needs. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more instructional content.